Clickety clack, clickety clack. The nails is back. Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Solangie. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey, what's up? What's good? What's poppin'? I'm going away in a few days, and I've been prepping myself to get ready for it. I got my nails done, and I did my own hair. The person who did my nails, her name is Kayla. She's so sweet, just so nice. I'm going to be linking her Instagram down below. Also, I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen. Make sure you guys book her. She's young, fun, and fabulous. She's just like full of life, full of energy, Aries bae. And yeah, like she's definitely gonna be my nail tech for like a while. I can feel it. I showed her what I wanted, and she was looking at that design like, sis, no, we're not gonna do that for your birthday. No. And I need people like that, you know what I mean? Like when it comes to my nails and when it comes to like a lot of things, I like to be plain and safe. And I'm usually surrounded by people who like to challenge that, and I love that for me. So yeah, so we went with this. And then my sister Paola, she was just like, yeah, we should add some rhinestones. And I'm just like, rhinestones? But you know what? F it, it's my birthday, so whatever. Did my own hair. Matter of fact, I have footage. Roller clips.
Share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a oh anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a wine and a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
So yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick little montage of getting my nails done and me doing my hair. I did not want to spend $200+ on hair on a style that I already know how to do. The only thing that worried me was my nails are very, very long, and I didn't think I was gonna achieve it, but I did it. Let me give you guys a better look. These are Boho Passion twists. Trying to find better lighting. All right, there we go. These are Boho Passion twist. It took me about a day and a half. It usually takes me a while to do my hair because I like to take my time. I love them. They're so cute and very vacation appropriate. And yeah, I didn't have to spend $200+. My mom is staying over at my house to watch Knight. It was Knight's birthday yesterday. He needs a haircut, so I plan to give him a haircut when I get back. His groomer is in LA right now, so I have to wait for her to get back. But my little furry ball, it was his birthday yesterday. Happy birthday, boys. Another Aquarius Bay. He turned 9 years old, guys. My little baby's old. My baby's old, my little baby. So, what's on the agenda today? I honestly don't know. I'm basically winging it. To be honest, we leave in a few days. I'm just so excited to be spending my birthday in another country. My birthday's February 7th. Aquarius gang gang. Let me stop playing. I have to build this cabinet that I bought so I can store all my hair stuff, my hair products, my wigs, my electronics, and just have somewhere to put everything. Like, I love all things organization. I just hate doing it. Does that even make sense? Like, anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna build that. So I will show you guys that and just start doing laundry. Tomorrow, hopefully I get my eyebrows done. And then, yeah, like for the rest of the week, I'm just gonna be cleaning, packing, and just getting ready. My first birthday without it being cold? What? I could wear a bikini in February? Like, we love that for us. Like, take a trip on your birthday, babes. Especially if you're a winter baby. If you want to experience something a little more caliente, you know what I mean? Like, but yeah, let's get to building. I need to see what this little dresser is looking like. So let's get to that. Let's go.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing.
Hey guys, it's been like a couple days later. If you hear something in the background, it's my washing machine going. And I believe the last thing I vlogged was me building that dresser for like all my electronics and hair products and wigs and hair stuff and things like that. And I guess I can show you guys what it looks like. It's currently in our main bedroom, but I'm gonna move it to the second room. I just have to clean that room first. But this is what it's looking like real quick. I put my laptop up here. On this drawer is like all my brushes and stuff. This drawer is all my my camera, my tripods, my hard drive and things like that. My chargers is gonna go in there. This drawer is all my my blow dryer, flat iron, things like that. This is also a camera that I'm gonna be taking to the trip. I have to learn how to use it, but this is another camera. I have to leave that out so I can learn how to use that. This drawer is like all my wigs and hair stuff, and then right here are all my hair products and like scrunchies and bonnets and things like that. I got my eyebrows done. I got my eyebrows done yesterday. I did not film that because it was right after work. I was so freaking exhausted. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. So yesterday I got my eyebrows done. And then, yeah, this is what they look like. A little closer look. She just cleaned them up, and like I usually shape them after, so I didn't really like I don't have a lot of eyebrows anyway. Ow. I don't have a lot of eyebrows anyway, so I didn't really care much about like the shape because I usually shape them myself with like an eyebrow pencil and stuff like that. I just wanted to clean them off and like, you know, make them look a little bit more fresh and presentable. Right now, like I said, I'm doing laundry and just getting like washing last minute things for the trip. I have to pack. I have not packed yet. I have not started packing. I don't know, you guys, I'm tired. Like, today drained me. Today drained me, y'all. Like, I don't want to do anything. I just want to go to sleep. Like, I barely went to the laundry. I'm tired, man. I need to start packing, y'all. I need to start packing. Let's start packing. What time is it? Cause it's late. Oh, it's 10 o'clock. I'm tired. Oh my god, it is 10 o'clock. It's 10:18 to be exact. 10:19 to be exact. So, I'm really dragging it right now. I don't even know what suitcase I'm gonna bring. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my little one or my big. Maybe I have to bring my big one. I'm tired, you guys. I'm tired. Tired. Bad. Good morning. Still haven't packed. Will be packing today. I have no choice. I leave in like less than 24 hours. You guys, please, like, don't be like me. I'm not gonna say I organized my clothes, but I did take out the clothes that I want to bring. So I did that. So y'all, I'm so sorry, but anyway, yeah, so I did that. I did take out the clothes that I want to bring, the shoes that I want to bring. So I'm just gonna do a quick montage of me packing. Really, let's get it.
Spiders, sex, yeah, 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 yeah. The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jamelis, but I had switched.